Okay, so for question one, which value of x satisfies the equation above? First we multiply out the 5, so that's 5x minus 15 equals 10x plus 5. Then we subtract 5x from both sides, and we subtract 5 from both sides. That gets us negative 20, because subtract 5 on both sides, and then equals 5x. Divide both sides by 5, and we get negative 4 equals x. So correct answer is A. Okay, question 2. Okay, so for question 2, um, we're gonna graph, and we're told to find PQ and then QR and add the two lanes together. So first with PQ, we know that 1 km by 1 km. So 1 km is actually two squares. So that means that this is 1 km, this is another km, so that's 2 km, and then this is 1, this is another one, and then this is another one, and then this is half a km. So that's 3.5. So that's a total of 3.5 plus 2 is 5.5 km. So correct answer is C. Question 3. Okay, so for question 3, we have y and we have z, which are following is equivalent to y plus yz. So y is going to be x plus 1 half, and z is going to be 2x minus 3. So we just need to multiply all these out, which would just be x times 2x is 2x squared. Then we have um, x times negative 3, which is negative 3x, x times 2x, which is, oh wait, no, I already did x times 2x. We have 1 half times 2x, which is just x, so plus x, and then we have 1 half times negative 3, which is negative 3 over 2. So this is just 2x squared um, minus 2x minus 3 over 2. And then now we need to add the plus y, so all of this plus x plus 1 half. So plus x would just mean 2x squared minus x, because negative 2x plus x is just x. And then minus, so instead of 3 over 2, we're adding 1 over 2 to it. So that would just be 2 over 2, which is just 1. So 2x squared minus x plus 1, which is answer choice A. Okay, question 4. Okay, so for question 4, um, they were charged 36 and it costs 0.05 per kilowatt hour. So we just have to do 36 divided by 0.05. Um, you can put this in a calculator. This would be times 20. So this would just be 720. So correct answer is D. Okay, question five. Okay, so for question five, random sample from all high school track participants from a certain city. To what population can the experiment be generalized? Well, in this case, it was a random sample, so yeah, that's fine. And all high school track participants from a certain city. So the correct answer is B. All high school athletes isn't true because it was just a certain city, and all from the country isn't true either, and all runners, that is not true. Okay, question six. Okay, so for question 6, it basically just asks us to simplify this equation. So that would just be, well, first we can just remove a 4 from everything. That would just give us x squared plus x minus 6. And then that gets us 4. And then we have x minus something and x plus something. And then, um, so they have to multiply to -6 and they have to add up to +1. So this would mean it would have to be +3 and -2 because 3 times 2 is 6. And +3 minus 2 is +1. So the correct answer is 4x minus 2x plus 3. Okay, question 7. Okay, so for question 7, we have overtime pay is hourly rate over 40 hours. X is the number of hours he works over 40 hours, so that means 30 is how much he gets per hour of overtime pay, and 800 is his base for the 40-hour work week. So which of the following is an interpretation of 800? So the correct answer is A, his base weekly salary in dollars. And question 8. Okay, so for question 8, we have uh 60% approve with a margin of error of 2%. So that means the real percent is between 58 and 62. So which of the following is the best conclusion? Okay, so there's 120,000 residents and they surveyed 1,200. Okay. So exactly 60% no. The margin of error means that it could be slightly higher or slightly lower than that. Um, there are 72,000 city residents who approve eliminating overnight parking. Um, I mean, not necessarily, because this would still be 60%, so we could have 58%, so it could be lower than this. So no, about 2% do not approve. No, the percent that don't approve would be about 40%. And then between 58 and 62% approve eliminating overnight parking. That is the correct answer. Okay. Question 9. Okay, so for question 9, we start with 2500. Then there's 50% fewer, so that would just be times 0.85, which is 2,125. And then there's 20% more, so that would just be 1.2, which would just be uh 2,550. So the correct answer is C. Okay, question 10. Okay, so question 10. He needs to earn at least 175, so it has to be greater than or equals to 175, and he can work at most 20 hours, so has to be less than or equals to 20. Okay, so less than 175, less than 20, no. Um, Less than 175, nope. Greater than 175 and less than equals to 20, yep. And then greater than or equals to 175 and greater than or equals to 20, nope. Okay, so correct answer is C. Okay, question 11. Okay, question 11. We have a graph, we have two exponential functions, it seems, and it asks us which of the following statements is true as r increases at a constant rate. So that means annual interest rate as it increases. Um, V increases more rapidly, so I'm assuming V is the future value, increases more rapidly if interest is compounded annually rather than daily. So compounded annually is the square, so no, that's not true. It's the opposite. And as R increases, V increases more rapidly if interest is compounded daily rather than annually. So yeah, daily has a higher value than annually, so the correct answer is B. But let's just go through the others. Difference between daily and interest and annually is a constant rate. No, because at the beginning there's no difference, but at the end there's a much larger difference, so it's not a constant rate. And at R equals 15%, annually is 2,000. No, it's less than 2,000. It's 15,000. So the correct answer is B. Okay, question 12. Okay, so for question 12, which of the following is an imperturbation of value 7 in the equation? So that would just be this part. She ran for 17 miles. So that's basically how fast she ran. So T is the time. So it's not about walk, it's not how many minutes. And then 7 miles an hour. Um, no, that's the wrong units. It would have to be a decimal place for that. So the correct answer is B. She ran at a speed of 7 miles an hour because this is walked. We want ran. Okay, question 13. Okay, so for question 13, basically it's just asking to solve this equation. So that's 7t plus 3, 13 over 15 minus t equals 4. I would just plug this into your calculator. So if you plug this into your calculator, you get should be 0.35, I think. Um, yeah, okay. So you get t equals 0.35 if you plug this into your calculator. Um, and then we have to figure out what fraction is equal to that. 750, no, 700. Okay, so the correct answer is B. It's 720, which is 0.35. Okay, question 14. Okay, question 14. Um, 1 mile is 1.61 kilometers. What is the total distance? Total distance is 4 from here. So, yeah, and also this is 4 mile walking and running exercise. So the total is 4. So 4 times 1.61, which is equal to 6.44. So correct answer is C. Okay, question 15. Okay, for this question, which the following is graphical equation with no solution. That means they never intersect. So that would just be A. This intersects here, this intersects everywhere, and then this intersects here. So the correct answer is A. Okay, question 16. Okay, question 16. P equals P0 plus PGH. We just sort of get H by itself, so this should just be P minus P0. and then divide both sides by PG equals H. So the correct answer is answer choice B. Okay, question 17. Okay, so for question 17, we have 4x squared plus bx plus 9 equals 0. So this is just quadratic, and we only have one solution. That means both of the terms are the exact same. So in that case, we just split everything. So this would be 2x plus, and then this would just be the square root of this number, which would just be 2x plus 3. And then the other term would be 2x plus 3. So what is one possible value of b? This would just be um, 4x squared plus, then we just have 2 times 3, which is 6x, and then times 2, so that's just 12x. And then we have 3 times 3 is 9. So we have 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. So b is 12. Okay, question 18. Okay, question 18. Um, they choose a male student, so out of 15. And brown eyes, so that's 6. So 6 out of 15, which simplifies into 3 over 5. Or no, 2 over 5. So 6 over 15 simplifies into 2/5, which is answer choice B. Okay, question 19. Okay, so for question 19, we have a 5 by 7 photo, so that's 35 for the area, and the new area is 250%, so times 2.5, which is 87.5. So correct answer is B. Okay, and then question 20. Okay, so for question 20, we have root x minus 3 has to equal 3 minus root x. In this case, if x is a solution, we can say it's 1, so root x minus 3 should be equal to 1, and we can also just cross-check it. So if we just square both sides, we get x minus 3 equals 1 squared, which is just 1. So then we have plus 3 to both sides, we get x equals 4, and then if we do 3 minus root 4, 3 minus 2 equals 1. So this 1 matches here, so the correct answer would be 1. Cross-check it like that. And it's time, so